Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting. 8 remote ways to earn money online in 2025. And yes, you can make $100 a day as a beginner. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's jump right in. First up, we have multi-channel dropshipping. Ever thought about running your own online store? With platforms like Shopify and tools like Autodes, you can automate your dropshipping business. Imagine setting everything up and letting the software do the heavy lifting while you sit back and watch the sales roll in. Next, let's talk about selling digital products. This is a fantastic way to earn money without dealing with inventory. Think ebooks, online courses, or printables. You create it once, and it can keep selling. Plus, you get to build your personal brand along the way. How cool is that? Now, if you enjoy creating content, why not build multiple YouTube channels? With AI-generated content, you can streamline your video creation process. Just imagine earning passive income through Google AdSense while sharing your passions with the world. Moving on, let's discuss the power of building an email list. This is your direct line to your audience, and it's crucial for any online business. And for those feeling adventurous, cryptocurrency investment is another exciting avenue. Just do your research, and you could potentially see great returns. Finally, we can't forget about affiliate websites. This method allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. It's a great way to generate passive income while sharing products you love. The best part? You can work from anywhere. So there you have it, 8 remote ways to earn money online in 2025. Whether you're into drop shipping, digital products, or affiliate marketing, there's something here for everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss an update.